Dear viewers, we're going to show you how to make chicken nuggets. So viewers, I put some of my chicken inside the blender. Now I'm going to blend it. Dear viewers, I'm putting some coriander, salt and pepper inside our chicken. Viewers, we're going to put some ginger, garlic ginger of a teaspoon and some onion. Dear viewers, now we're going to blend it. So we have some flour and we already added the flour inside a bowl. Now we're going to add some salt and pepper. So now we're going to add some oregano. So now we're going to add some garlic powder and some onion powder. So now I got some bread. Now I'm going to rip it in half. So now I'm going to blend it. Here's our lovely breadcrumbs. So now I'm going to put my beautiful. So now I'm going to grab some chicken mix, put it in the flour, then put it in the eggs, then put it in the breadcrumbs, then put it into the pan. So now my chicken nugget is cooking away. Look at my delicious chicken nugget. Enjoy. Bon appetit.